Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best air mattresses on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Sound Asleep Dream Series Air Mattress. If you're someone who prefers a firmer mattress, you're sure to be impressed by the Sound Asleep Dream Series Air Mattress Comfort. It utilizes comfort coil technology and a sure grip bottom for firmness and stability that eliminates the slipping and sliding that's often present in lower quality mattresses. With 40 internal air coils for added durability and support, the mattress stays flat and firm for a night of more enjoyable sleep. What we like about it. Available in a variety of sizes. Utilizes comfort coil technology. Built-in one-click pump. Extra thick, soft flock top. What we don't like about it. Less durable than other options. Number 2. Interplex Air Mattress. This air mattress is made of extremely durable PVC and comfortable top flocking. This air mattress feels seriously durable. For example, my cat scratched it, and it didn't puncture or leak as past air mattresses have. If you have high-energy pets, you know the struggle, all things considered. However, my favorite feature has to be the adjustable built-in pump. It inflates in less than 2 minutes and has knobs for increasing and decreasing firmness. What we like about it. Available in 13, 16, and 18-inch models. Wilted fabric topper. Firmness is adjustable. What we don't like about it. No detailed cleaning instructions. May lose air overnight. Number 3. Englander Air Mattress. Discover the exceptional comfort and convenience of the Englander Air Mattress, a reliable and versatile sleep solution. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, this durable microfiber surface and interior beam construction can comfortably support a wide range of individuals. Whether you need an extra bed for guests or a convenient camping essential, this portable air mattress is a must-have for every home. Standing at 20 inches tall when fully inflated, it eliminates the parachute-like descent towards the ground. We've all been there. What we like about it. Available in 2 colors and 3 sizes. 300-pound weight capacity. What we don't like about it. Can take a while to deflate. Number 4. Interplex Kids Air Bed. As this is a kid's bed, I haven't been able to test this one out. That being said, I think its unique child-focused details make it worth adding to the list. Most notably, this air mattress has built-in safety bumpers that prevent your child from rolling out of bed. It also has a soft flock top that makes it super comfortable and soothing for children to sleep on. Underneath the soft flocking, this air mattress is made of super durable, waterproof material that can handle nearly anything your little one throws its way. What we like about it. Inflates in about 30 seconds. Built-in safety bumpers. Durable, kid-proof material. Convenient carrying case included. What we don't like about it. Not suitable for adults. May begin to deflate overnight. Number 5. Intex Air Mattress with Headboard. The Intex Air Mattress with Headboard stands out for its unique and practical features. First off, the thick built-in headboard provides stability and support and keeps pillows in place while sitting or sleeping. Meanwhile, the built-in electric air pump allows for quick inflation and deflation, and the velvety soft surface and 18-inch raised height provide both comfort and ease of use. With a maximum weight capacity of 600 pounds, it can also accommodate multiple sleepers at the same time. To make storage and transport easier, the mattress also comes with a convenient carrying case as well. What we like about it. Built-in headboard keeps pillows in place, stays inflated for a long time. The quick, easy inflation process. Puncture-resistant flock sides. What we don't like about it. Makes noise when you toss and turn. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.